Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I wanted to jump on and make a quick video to share what not to do when sublimating a mug in a convection toaster oven. I wanted to sublimate an image on only one side of the mug. I printed the image out on sublimation paper and applied the small section to the mug, taped it up. Next, I applied the shrink wrap to secure the sublimation paper and put it in the convection toaster oven. After sublimating, I realized that you cannot apply shrink wrap directly to the mug without having any sublimation paper between the mug and the shrink wrap. The area on the mug that didn't have the sublimation paper was damaged. The shrink wrap melted onto the mug and it hardened, and it will definitely not come off. So I just wanted to share this info with you guys in case you thought of doing the same thing, and I wanted to save you guys a mug. So that's it, guys. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.